Rocket Lab secured a contract from NASA to launch the Aspera astrophysics mission using their Electron rocket at Launch Complex 1 in early 2026. The mission aims to explore the intergalactic medium with ultraviolet light, potentially providing new knowledge about the origins of stars, planets, and life itself. Aspera is in space mission led by the University of Michigan in partnership with NASA's Pioneers program. Aspera joins other NASA science missions launched by Rocket Lab such as Capstone, Tropics, and Prefire. Rocket Lab CEO Sir Peter Beck expressed his enthusiasm for continuing their support to NASA on small satellite launches, highlighting Electron's reliability and accuracy. The Aspera mission was granted through NASA's Venture Class Acquisition of Dedicated and Rideshare (VADR) program, a 5-year contracting vehicle designed to place NASA payloads on U.S. commercial launchers at a lower cost. Rocket Lab also successfully supported 2 Earth return missions in 2 months with its Pioneer spacecraft for Varda Space Industries. The first mission was the world's first space manufacturing mission conducted outside of the International Space Station, while the second saw the successful re-entry and landing of a capsule at the Coonibba Test Range in South Australia. Rocket Lab has built, tested, integrated, and managed on-orbit and de-orbit operations for 3 of Varda's contracted missions to date. The rapid re-entry capability and versatility of Rocket Lab's Pioneer spacecraft have consistently delivered critical mission functions, pushing space technology boundaries. This achievement marks a new era in the commercialization of low Earth orbit. Currently, the 4th spacecraft in Varda's W series is undergoing integration and testing at Rocket Lab's headquarters. Rocket Lab will also be launching its new medium-lift reusable rocket, Neutron, for a rocket cargo mission supporting point-to-point cargo transportation for the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory, AFRL. The mission is scheduled to take place no earlier than 2026, and will involve Neutron executing a survivability experiment under AFRL's Rocket Experimentation for Global Agile Logistics, REGAL solicitation. Additionally, Rocket Lab aims to provide government and commercial customers with an alternative and reliable launch service capable of deploying 13,000 kilograms to low Earth orbit using Neutron. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.